Om Gururam Namaste. Good morning all of you. My dear 5th class students. Today discuss about time from your workbook volume 2 page number 6 beta. Convert the following. Convert the following. See here. 360 seconds into minutes. Better solution. 360 seconds. Okay. Seconds is convert into minutes. Means the small quantity is convert into large quantity. Then we have to take divided. See here, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Then 360 seconds, that is equals to 360 by 60. Okay, 0 0 get cancelled better. So numerator and denominator of a fraction is simplified by the same number, that is 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 6 is 36. Then 6 by 1, 6 minutes. Therefore 360 seconds, that is equals to 6 minutes. Write down everybody, Nana. Now next problem. Now next one beta. hours days. 96 hours. Hours is converted to days. Now, 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Now, we have to take divide by 24. See here, 1 day is equals to 24 hours. 96 hours is equals to 96 by 24 days. See here, 4 4 is 16, 1 carrying, 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9. So 24 1 is 24 4 is 96. So 4 by 1, you can get 4 days. Therefore 96 96 hours is equals to 4 days. Right on. Now next, nine and a half days into hours. See here, solution 9 and a half days. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. See here, 9 and a half days, that is equals to 9 is multiplied with 24 hours plus half day. Half day means 12 hours. See here, 24 into 9, 9 4 the 36, 6 taking carry in 3, 9 2 the 18, 18 plus 3 21. So 216 hours plus 12 hours. See here, did you understand? 9 and a half days. So days is converted to hours. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Then 9 is multiplied with 24 plus half day. Half day is equals to 12 hours. So 9 into 24 you can get 216 plus 12. Write down 216 plus 12 hours. 6 plus 2 8, 1 plus 1 2, 2. So you can get 228 hours. Therefore 9 and a half days is equals to 228 hours. Right now? Hours into days. Solution 60 hours. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. 60 hours, that is equals to 60 by 24 days. See here, 5 for the 20, sharing 5 for the 20. See now, 60 by 24, we have to take 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 0 0. Okay, 6 fours are 24. Okay, next 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10. So you can get 5 by 2 days. Then 2 twos are 4, 5 minus 4 1. So Q R by D, that is equals to Q means quotient, 2 whole 1 by 2. Therefore 60 hours, that is equals to 2 whole 1 by 2 days, means 2.5 days. Now next, 12 days, 16 hours into hours. 12 days, 16 hours. Here days is converted to hours first. 1 day, that is equals to 24 hours. Then 12 days, 16 hours, that is equals to 12 is multiplied with 24 hours plus remaining 16 hours. See here, 12 into 24, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4, 1 space cut it, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Then you can get 8, 4 plus 4 8, 2. $288 hours plus 16 hours. 288 plus 16. 8 plus 6, 14, 4 taking 1 carrying, 1 plus 8, 9, 10, 0 taking 1 carrying, 1 plus 2, you can get 3. Then you can write 304 hours. Therefore, 12 days, 16 hours, that is equals to 304 hours. 323 hours into days and hours. Solution: 323 hours. See here, hours is converted into days. Now, 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Then, 323 hours, that is equals to 323 by 24. See here. See 20, we have to take in the dividend from left to right side 2 places, that is 32. See 24 ones are 24. Now 24 is subtracted from 32. Then 2 minus 4 not possible because 2 is the smaller number than 4. Then we have to take borrowing from 3. It can give 10. 10 is added to 2. You can get 12. Now 3 it can last one. 3 becomes 2. 12 minus 4 you can get 8. 2 minus 2 you can get 0. Now bring down 3 to the remainder. Now 24 3 is once check it. 3 4s are 12 carrying 1. 3 to the 6 plus 1 7. 24 4s are 4 4 the 16 carrying 1. 4 to the 8 plus 1 9. So 96 is more than 83. Then we have to take 24 3 is 72. It is possible. So 24 3 is 72. Then 3 minus 2 1. 8 minus 7 1. So here 13, this is divisor. Divisor is goes to, look at the blackboard. Divisor is goes to days and remainder is goes to hours. Then we can write see here, therefore 323 hours, that is equals to 13 days 11 hours. years into decades. See here, years is converted into decades, means the small unit. The smaller unit is converted into larger unit. We have to take divided. Then 1 decade is equals to 10 years. How many years? 1 decade is equals to 10 years. Now, years, 1 decade, that is equals to 10 years. Then 80 years, that is equals to 80 by 10. 10 1 that 10, 10 8 is 80. So 8 by 1, 8. Therefore, 80 years, that is equals to 8 decades. 10 decades into years. Solution: 10 decades. Decades is converted into years, so I have to take multiply by 10 because 1 decade is equals to 10 years. Ten tens are 100. 100 years. 100 years means 1 century. Okay, better. Today our class is completed. Thank you to all.